students. I hope you all are fine and doing good. I'm your social studies teacher for class 5, and we will start our lesson. And you all know that this is the start of your new session. So kindly listen to my instructions very carefully, and you have to follow these instructions for your copy work for the class. If you listen my instructions very carefully, so you will get maximum from the class, and also you understand my uh, teaching and all the things very clearly. Okay, students, so these are some instructions which you have to follow before starting the class, and note down and follow these instructions. The first instruction is check your audio setting and use hand-free for clear voice. If you are not getting my voice clear, then please use hand-free or headset to for the clear voice, so my audio will be audible to you. Now keep a notebook and a pencil with you and note down difficult words or terms you find during the class. Keep your rough copy pencil and your SST book. So if you find any difficult word during the class, so you will write it on your rough copy or the notebook. Then do your homework and copy work according to teacher's instructions. Like I told you before, that this is the start of your new session, so your copy work must be very neat, clean and organized according to teacher's instruction. So whenever I want give you instruction about your copy work, so listen it very carefully, and don't interrupt me during the class. On the class, your questions will be addressed at the end. I will address your all queries, all questions at the end of the section through session through chat box or through the audio messages. But don't interrupt me during the class. बिल्कुल तसल्ली से सुकून से आपने क्लास सुननी है, and then I will answer you all your question at the end of your session. Okay, let's come towards our topic. Unit number 3: reduce, reuse and recycle. This is the name of your chapter which we are going to study now. It's unit number 3, present on page number 10 of your SST book 5, and open the page number 10 of your SST book, and let's start our topic: reduce, reuse and recycle. Before starting the lesson, I want to share some objectives of this topic with you, so I hope you will understand and make it clear for you. Why the land is being polluted and how can we overcome the problem of pollution, means these are the objectives of learning of this chapter: why the land is being polluted and how we can overcome the problem of pollution. Okay, then the terms reduce, reuse and recycle, or 3 R's. We also call it 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. 1, 2 and 3. So we also call it 3 R's. Okay, so first objective is why the land is being polluted and how we overcome the pollution of problem of pollution. Then how can we reduce our waste. We share some objectives and some solution, that how we reduce our waste, and then how we can reuse material. We also share some types of materials which can be reused, and also we reuse it according to our needs. So this is the our objectives for today's class. So let's come towards the topic, and then understand the importance of recycling. What is the importance of recycling, how recycling help us? These all are our objectives, and we hope we all cover each and every objective in our today's class. So let's coming towards the topic. So first of all, I have some very important questions for you, which you have to keep in your mind before starting the topic. That have you ever thought that why the land is being polluted? Why today our land is being polluted? You all know very well that pollution is the biggest problem of today's world. Okay, so have you ever thought that why the land is being polluted, why our land is being so polluted that it is now alarming situation for our earth? So it also comes in your mind every time that what is the reason behind this land pollution? The reason is, as the world population is increasing, our domestic waste is also increasing vastly. The answer is very simple and very clear to you that as the world population is increasing, it is directly proportional to the world's population. So our domestic waste is also increasing. As there are a lot of number of people today living in the world, so also our domestic waste is also increasing. The main reason of the pollution or the land pollution is world's population, because world's population is increasing day by day. Okay, coming towards the next slide, which is how, why our land is being polluted. Mean, what are the major pollutants which are polluting our lands and which are not decomposing in our earth or in our land? So the main thing which is not decomposable easily is the plastic. The plastic bottles are the biggest threat to the environment, and it takes a lot of time to decompose in the environment. So plastic bottle, papers, glass bottles, plastic containers, cloth rags, and also the metallic uh, instruments or the things which are which are dumped in the garbage, and these type of things take a lot of time to decompose uh, in the land or in the soil. So these six things are the biggest pollutants nowadays, and we are suffering from pollution because of all six elements. Okay, now if these wastes are not disposed of properly, they become pollutants for our land. And as you know, pollution is the greatest threat to our environment. It is a high time for us now to think about it, that how we dispose these things so it will become beneficial for us, or how we can reduce our waste material. Like these all six products, these all six waste materials are the materials which take a lot of thousands of years to decompose in the environment. So how we can overtake this problem? Means, if we do not dispose these uh, products properly, so what happen, it will increase, and also it will become the biggest threat to our environment. Okay, students, if you have any voice issue, so please check your audio setting and then and use hands free. Pollutant means the things which pollute our environment. Okay, the things जो चीजें हमारे environment को pollute कर रही हैं, these are called pollutants. Okay, so I shared the picture of these six pollutants, which are plastic bottles, papers, glass bottle, plastic containers, rags, and metallic substances. These are called pollutants. Now, have you ever thought about how we can solve this problem? Means, if we have a problem, so there's always a solution of this problem. Now, so what's the solution of this problem? Now we are discussing about the solution of that problem, which is reduce, reuse, and recycle. It's the only solution of our pollution's problem, of our land pollution, noise pollution, air pollution, that we reuse, reduce, and recycle. Okay, these are also called 3 R's. Okay, these are also called 3 R. Reduce means to less our waste, to lessen the waste. Reuse mean to use the things over and over again. Okay, and recycle mean to make a new thing from an old thing. Reduce, कम इस्तेमाल करना, reuse, दोबारा इस्तेमाल करना, and recycle, पुरानी चीज से कोई नई चीज बना लेना, recycle कर देना उसको. Okay, so open page number 10 of your book, and let's start reading the chapter, and I will explain you further. In the previous lesson, you have learned that the world is polluted by the trash and litter we produce. Just look around, you see how the land is being polluted by the junk or litter produced by us. As the world population increases, our domestic waste also increases vastly. Our waste today mostly consists of paper, rags, metals, glass bottles, and containers, other countless rubbish that we put into our dustbin every day. If these wastes are not disposed of properly, they become pollutant for our land, and as you know, pollution is the greatest threat to our environment. Okay, like I explained you before that these three things, paper, six things, papers, rags, metal, plastic bottles, these are the biggest threat to our environment. And in the start of the chapter they are discussing the cause of pollution. The cause of pollution is that the population of the world is increasing vastly, and also our domestic waste is also increasing day by day, because we are not disposing of metals, rag, glass bottles, plastic containers properly, and the countless rubbish are there to contribute in the pollution. So it's alarming situation that if you will not dispose these properly, so what will be happen? Our land become polluted day by day, and also it will become very difficult for human beings and also animals to survive in the earth. Okay, have you ever thought about how we can solve this problem? Have you ever thought that how we can tackle this problem or how we can solve this problem? We can avoid pollution by making less trash, that is reduce. किस तरह से हम कम करेंगे? By using less trash, by making less trash, that is reduce, means reduce your waste materials, reduce your trash. Or using thing over and over again, that is reuse, means don't waste your things. If you are using it once, use it over and over again, because it will help you to less your trash. Okay, the things which cannot be reused may be converted into some new material or product, that is recycled. So these all three R's are interconnected towards between each other, and these all are interconnected with each other. How? If we want to reduce our waste material, अगर हम रिड्यूस करना चाहते हैं अपना वेस्ट मटेरियल, तो हमें क्या जरूरी है करना? We have to reuse the things over and over again, and if the things are not reusable, so convert them into a new material. So it's called recycle. So these three R's are the solution of your pollution problem. Okay, when there's a problem, there's a solution. So the problem is pollution, and the solution is 3R: reduce, reuse, and recycle. So we can make our world a better place to live in practicing these 3 R's. Okay, how we can make our world better place? By practicing these 3 R's. Reduce means making less trash. How we reduce things? Our making less trash. हम कम से कम garbage produce करें. Reuse, using thing over and over again. बार बार चीजों को इस्तेमाल करें. Recycle, making new material or products from waste material. पुरानी चीजों से, वेस्ट मटेरियल से न्यू चीजें कंस्ट्रक्ट कर ले, न्यू चीजें क्रिएट करें. सो by practicing these 3 R's, we will convert our world into a better place, or better place for living. Okay, now turn to page number 11. Reduce. Reduction means consuming and throwing away less. For example, a lot of trash thrown by us into dustbins, if used carefully, can reduce our waste greatly. The use of paper bags instead of plastic shoppers can also reduce our waste. We can reduce our waste material by buying the things which are long lasting. Manufacturers can also be helpful in reducing waste by using less packaging material for the goods. For example, the packaging of food product is necessary because it preserves food. But there are things which do not need packaging at all or can be sold with less packaging material. Can you list some of these products? Okay. Now they are explaining you the term reduce. How we can reduce our trash? By consuming, means consuming and throwing less trash. Means if you are using papers, then don't throw them in the dustbin. Use it carefully. You can reduce your paper waste by using paper carefully, and don't throw these papers into your dustbins. Okay, use paper bags instead of plastic shoppers. You know, A study tells us that plastic shoppers are the biggest threat to the environment because it takes a lot of time to decompose in the environment. So try to use paper bags instead of plastic shoppers. Means अगर आप अपने पास एक paper bag रख लेंगे, so it will be very useful for us. प्लास्टिक शॉपर्स को अवॉइड कर सकते हैं हम, इससे भी हमारे जो है वो वेस्ट मटेरियल बहुत कम हो जाएगा. कैन ऑल्सो रिड्यूस वी कैन रिड्यूस अवर वेस्ट मटेरियल बाय बाइंग द थिंग्स which are long lasting. Try to buy or purchase the things which are long lasting. Means if you buy the products which are long lasting, so it's reduce the chance of any error, and also it reduce the chance of मेकिंग ट्रैश. ओके, आप उसको जितना ज्यादा इस्तेमाल करेंगे चीज को, उतनी ज्यादा आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल होगी. सो जब भी कोई चीज आप बाय करने की कोशिश करें, whenever you try to buy a thing, make sure that you are buying a long lasting material. Manufacturers can also be helpful in reducing waste. Means your manufacturers can also make it very helpful for you to reduce the trash by adopting the less packaging materials. Okay, if you are buying some product, and it's not necessary to pack each and everything whenever you want to buy it, you can use less packaging material to buy a product. If you are no, if you are comfortable with long less packaging material, then it's okay for you. If you are going to market and you have to purchase a lot of things, so keep a plastic or a paper or a cloth bag with you. You can purchase all the things and put them in your own bag, cloth bag or paper bag, so it will reduce the use of plastic shoppers. If someone offers you plastic shopper, then say no to them and use plastic and cloth bags. It will help you to reduce your waste material and also reduce your trash. Now, reuse. Reusing material also reduces waste. The material which have a long life can be used again after their original use is finished. Glass jars, plastic containers, and boxes can be reused in many ways. For example, a glass jar can be reused as a flower vase. Using item by repairing or donating to the charities also reduces unnecessary collection. For example, old clothes, shoes may be given to the organizations which distribute these to the needy people. Plastic bags may be used several times before disposing them properly. Okay, so how we reuse things again and again? Reusing material also reduce our waste material. Okay, reduce our trash. How we can use our waste material, our materials again and again? Like if you buy any jam if you buy a jam bottle, so when the jam finish, so don't throw this jam jar into your dustbin. Use it for the spices. You can store it, you can use it in many things. You can store your spices in kitchen, and also you can make it very beautiful flower vase for your drawing room and for your sitting room. अगर आपने खाने के लिए कोई कंटेनर यूज किया है या कुछ भी है, आपके पास एक ग्लास जार है, प्लास्टिक कंटेनर है या बॉक्सेस हैं, यू कैन यूज इट इन मैनी वेज. आप उनका फ्लावर वास बना सकते हैं, आप उनका पेंसिल होल्डर्स बना सकते हैं. You can make it very useful in your kitchen. Like you are seeing practicing your mother's dad, she used all the things, plastic containers and glass jars in kitchens. वो अपनी स्पाइसेस वगैरह को स्टोर कर लेते हैं. सो इस चीज को अडॉप्ट करते हुए भी हम अपनी रीयूजिंग मटेरियल से भी हम अपना ट्रैश को रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं. वी कैन रिड्यूस अवर ट्रैश बाय reusing material. Also, used clothes and used shoes can be donated to the needy persons, and also you can use it with your siblings. If you are wearing some clothes and आपको वो छोटे हो गए, so what will be happen? You offer them to your younger brother. So आप उसको थ्रो करने के बजाय, एंड ऑल्सो इफ योर younger brother don't want to wear that shirt or anything, so offer them to some organizations which help needy and poor people. And also plastic bags may be used several times before disposing them properly. You can also use plastic bags several times If you are going somewhere and you need to put your clothes, use that plastic bags. You can also store your uh, seasonal clothes and off seasonal clothes in your plastic bags, and it will help you to. Consuming means to use things again and again. Consume means use karna. Okay, you have, if you are using thing, it means consume. Recycle, what is the meaning of recycle and how we can recycle the products? Recycling turns material that would otherwise become waste into new materials or products. The material example: glass, metal, plastic and paper, after collection are separated and sent for recycling to the recycling plant, where they can be turned into new material or products. Recycled paper is used to make cartons for packaging of shoes, teas, biscuits, etc. Recycled newspaper is used to make newsprint, and recycled plastic is used to make electric switchboard and household item like chair, buckets, mugs and many other things. There are many advantages of recycling. Through recycling, we can save our energy resources like electricity and gas. Recycling plants do not pollute water and as air pollution much as the plants for new product. Recycling also provide many jobs to the people. Now they are explaining you the benefits of recycling, that if you recycle any product, if the things are uh, reused and you have reduced your trash, then what will be happen if the things are not in your use, you want to recycle them. So the things cannot be put into the dustbin, they are sent to the recycle plant. रिसाइकल प्लांट में आप भेज दीजिए जो चीज़ें आपको आपकी ज़रूरत की नहीं रही हैं, लाइक ब्रोकन प्लास्टिक, ब्रोकन मेटल्स, पेपर्स एंड ग्लास. सो recycling plants make them in a convert them into a new product. Okay, recycled newspaper is used to make newsprint, and recycled plastic is used to make electric switchboard. Means the plastic can be recycled into electric switchboards, household items like chair, buckets, mugs, and also the packaging material recycled paper can be used to make a कार्टन्स ऑफ शूज एंड टी कार्टन्स बैग्स. आप जो पेपर वगैरह वेस्ट करते हैं वो कार्टन्स के तौर पे यूज किया जा सकता है. जो आप अपने न्यूज़पेपर वगैरह थ्रो कर देते हैं उनको दोबारा से रिसाइकिल करके दोबारा से न्यूज पेपर प्रिंट करने के काम आ सकते हैं. एंड जो रिसाइकिल प्लास्टिक कैन बी यूज टू मेक स्विच बोर्ड बन सकते हैं, चेयर्स बन सकते हैं, बकेट्स. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ यूजेस ऑफ प्लास्टिक. सो and also the benefit of recycling is that recycling consume less energy. जब हम किसी चीज को रिसाइकिल करते हैं तो उसमें कम एनर्जी लगती है, इन द सेंस कि हम कोई न्यू प्लांट पे जितना इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं, वी कैन इन्वेस्ट लेस in the recycling plants. Also, the recycling gives many jobs to the people. It's directly proportional that if you are increase your the numbers of your recycling plant, then it will give the job opportunities to many people. So there are a lot of beneficial benefits of these reduce, reuse, and recycle. Now, what's the meaning of reduce? Using less paper can reduce your waste. Use paper bag instead of plastic bags. Buy long-lasting products. Use less packaging material. These are the points to reduce your waste. Then these are some tips to reduce your waste. Bring your own bag for life. Avoid excessive food packaging. Pack your lunch in reusable container. Say no to plastic straws. Don't use disposable cutlery. Carry a reusable bottle or cup. Use glass jar for storage. Have a homemade cooked meal. Okay. So how you can reuse thing, like you are seeing in the slide, that the plastic bottle can be used as the plant spot. You can plant beautiful plant in the plastic bottles in a many ways. Okay, you can convert your tin containers or the jars into a pencil or pen holders. You can make them flower vases, and also you can store your toys and spices in these jars. Okay, then what's the meaning of recycle and what are the benefits of recycling? Recycling reduces the need for landfilling and incineration. Okay, रिसाइकलिंग से हमें क्या होगा कि हमें लैंड फिलिंग नहीं करनी पड़ेगी, हमें रिड्यूस कर देंगे हमारे चांस ऑफ वेस्ट. रिसाइकलिंग प्रिवेंट्स पोल्यूशन. ऑल्सो when we recycle things, because recycling plants emit less pollution, contribute less in increasing the pollution in spite of the industries or the plants for making new materials. Okay, recycling saves energy. You can save your energy by recycling products. Recycling decreases emission of greenhouse gases that contribute to global climate change. Okay, if you recycle, then it will emissions of greenhouse gases को हमारे environment में dissolve होने से बचा सकेंगे. Okay, recycling conserve natural resources, means you can recycle products by using natural resources. Recycling helps sustain the environment for future generation, means you can prevent your environment for your future generations. Okay, so there are a lot of benefits of recycling which we discuss in our unit. Okay, now time to share your homework. What's your homework now? Your homework is very interesting. Your homework is, first of all, इन योर न्यू कोर्स, जो आपको न्यू कोर्स गिवन है आपके स्कूल की तरफ से, पिक अ कॉपी, इंटरलीव कॉपी जिसका वन साइड ब्लैंक है और वन साइड लाइनिंग वाली है, वो आपकी एसएसटी की कॉपी है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, cover your copy and write your name, father name, class, whatever the requirement of your face sheet. Okay, then your first home task is that write your biodata on first page of your copy. आपको अपनी कॉपी के, yes yes सुफियान सलीम, न्यू कॉपी यूज करनी है जो न्यू सेशन के लिए आपको गिवन है. उसको कवर कीजिएगा बहुत अच्छी तरह से, उसको आपने उस पर नाम लिखना है. देन राइट योर डेटा, बायोडेटा फर्स्ट. ओके, उसके बाद आपने क्या करना है, मेक अ टाइटल पेज ऑफ फर्स्ट टर्म. आपने फर्स्ट टर्म का टाइटल पेज बनाना है. रिमेंबर, फर्स्ट टर्म जी आपको स्कूल की कॉपी में काम करना है. जो आपको न्यू सेशन के लिए कॉपीज दी हुई है आपको उनमें ही काम करना है. ओके, यस आई एम द टीचर ऑफ एसएसटी. न्यू कोर्स में करना है काम. मेक अ टाइटल पेज ऑफ चैप्टर रिड्यूस, रीयूज एंड रिसाइकिल. आपको क्या बनाना है, टाइटल पेज बनाना है रिड्यूस, रीयूज, रिसाइकिल का. जिस तरह आपको क्लास में हम बनवाते हैं बिल्कुल इसी तरह आपने टाइटल पेज बनाना है. देन यू हैव टू कंप्लीट पेज नंबर 18 ऑफ बुक. पेज नंबर 18 आपकी बुक में गिवन है, आपको उसको कंप्लीट करना है. ओके, द एक्टिविटी ऑन पेज नंबर 18 of book. You have to complete page number 12 of your book. It's misprinted in my slide. You have to complete page number 12 of your book. Okay. Okay, students, you have to complete page number 12 of your book. Then now I am showing you आपको किस तरह से अपनी कॉपी में काम करना है. How you will